to be a breakage girly. I want to be like a not breakage girly.
Everybody knows that I'm a good girl, officer.
Hello, welcome to a new video. Like everyone needs like a good little reset here and there, so that's what we're doing. First things first is that I'm going to wash my hair because she doesn't look bad right now, but trust me, greasy. I recently started prioritizing my hair care routine. It's sort of like a 2-week rollover. It's the best way that I can describe it. Every week, once a week, I will do like an oil mask. So I'll just combine like a bunch of oils and like rub it on my scalp. So kind of like a scalp treatment, if you will, to help with like repair, growth, all the things. And then when it's the next time that I wash my hair, which is like roughly like 4 days later, I'll do a deep moisture mask because my hair can get really dry, especially in the winter. So since we're starting to get into the colder season, I want to make sure that the hair is protected. She's growing, she's glossy, my hair looks good. I could be wearing a freaking potato bag and will not give a crap. Maybe there's a place I could prop you. Slay. So I just got these in the mail. They're the Blow Dot Dry Rinse from Kevin Murphy. If you guys watched my vlog from last week, then you saw that I went to Smitten Boutique for their 12-year anniversary and got a little blowout. And my stylist gave me this little sampler. It's like a gloss, but it's like a hair rinse gloss thing. So I think I'm gonna use this today. For my oil mask, I use jojoba oil, rosemary oil, and I also use castor oil. I just combine these three in like a little jar. I will come back when I've completed all the tasks and I'll show you how I style my hair. Turned out. Show you guys the back. You can't really see, or at least I hope you guys can see, but I think I'm just gonna do like no makeup today just because I'm gonna be sitting for like 5 hours. What am I doing? I'm being rude. So this is like my little like seminar fit, since sometimes we do Pilates workouts like during the seminar, so I want to be in something that like I can move in, but I'm still like, you know, not in workout clothes necessarily. This is a little jumpsuit from Aritzia. I think it's their butter line because this is TNA. So yeah, that's the first. This is the base, and then I have my platform Uggs with some leg warmers on. And since I need everything to be matchy-matchy, I'm just wearing this little meshky chunky sweater in case I get cold. I'll see you guys later. Gingerbread oat milk latte with 2 shots of the blonde espresso. So good. I've never gotten the gingerbread before. I don't know if it's a new flavor this year. It is so freaking good. And I just got it without ice, just so I could bring it home and have it for later, because yeah, I'm here from like 12 to 5, so it's not like I could leave. But this is just so freaking good. It's so good. I'm gonna do my skincare night routine. If I was wearing makeup, I would use my Hyaluronic Marine Melt Away Cleanser from Dr. Dennis Gross, just to make sure you get all of the sweat and pollution and all the other things off. Really want to make sure that it's all off, girl. It's nice, it's luxurious, it's luxury every night. Alright, now that my face is double cleansed, I am also going to do a face mask. I was sent this Josie Maran whipped argan and pumpkin enzyme mask, and I've heard that pumpkin is actually really good for your skin. I remember learning about that from like these two girls who had like really bad hormonal acne, and while they were on their healing journey, they would just like take straight up pureed pumpkin and use that as a face mask. So hot tip, pumpkin is for the girls. It literally smells like a pumpkin pie. Like she's in autumn. One of the other things that I try to prioritize is going to bed early is the way that I'm trying to balance my hormones, because I feel like I've been neglecting that my entire life. But I'm also like not punishing myself for that, because like I don't know what I don't know. I got 5 minutes to get this off my chest while this cooks. Also regulating my nervous system. Like guys, you'll become the happiest person in the world. Not this becoming like a self-help vlog, but I feel like you'll become the happiest person in the world if you learn how to regulate your nervous system. Let yourself feel your emotions. Like, don't deny yourself your emotions, just let yourself feel your feels. And then like don't just like sit and wallow. Like find actionable steps that you can take to help you get back to your equilibrium. Part of that is getting a good ass night's sleep. Especially us girlies, we need more sleep than men. Men can just operate on like literally a 0 tank of gas. We're gonna have to accept grandma era and be going to bed lights out at 9:30, because you get that 8 to 9 hours of sleep, I swear you will just feel so good. No crashes, no cravings, good skin, balanced hormones, regulated nervous system, less angry. Oh my god, that's a big one for me. I feel like that's been 5 minutes, so now I can wash my face. So yeah, I'm gonna rinse this off and then I'm gonna go to bed.